Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a cleaning vlog. I want to deep clean my seats and my carpet. So I'll be showing you guys the machine I'm going to use and how we are going to be cleaning it. So let's get into the video. So this is the machine I'll be using, guys. It is called the Rug Doctor. It cleans your carpets and sort of dries them. So you just have like to open up your windows after you've cleaned, probably just air your carpet for a few hours and it will be dry. So this is what I'm going to be using and I'll show you how it works. And yeah, let's get started. You need to clean is some water and I'm going to be using a Toss detergent. So what you do, you just put a good amount into the water and then now this water will be going inside the machine. I'll show you in a moment and then we will start to clean. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the water. Actually, it's full. Then I'm going to close this up. We're going to connect this. This is the tool that we're going to be using to wash the seats. The machine has two options, carpet and hand tool. Hand tool you use to wash the seats. So I'm going to connect the hand tool option. After connecting the hand tool, I'm just going to be cleaning the seats, and I usually just wipe my seats down every time I clean my house because they're black. So they're kind of dirty but not so much. So I'm just going to be hurrying through the cleaning process and then we will get started on the carpets. So guys, we are done with the seats and they were dirty. Look at the water that came out of them, but we will get started on the carpets. So here is our carpet. We are first going to sweep to remove all the dirt particles, and then we'll pour water on it next. Then we'll just start washing with the machine. All you have to do is just move back and forth while pulling and pressing. There's a button I'm pressing on so that the brush down can at the bottom can scrub the carpet. Yeah, so we'll just do a few rounds of this and our carpet will be clean. So let's get started on doing the dishes. I'm done with the carpet and the seats. I will plug you guys on who can clean your seats and your carpets at the comfort of your home. My brothers do it at a fee using the machine that you saw me use. I will put their contacts in the description box and at the end of the video. Please feel free to give them a call. They are reasonably priced and your seats will look amazing in no time and your carpets will dry up so fast. So give them a call and they'll give you a quote and then you can organize for them to come and clean for you at the comfort of your home. So guys, let's clean the rest of the house. I'll start with the washroom. I'm using Attila and Vim. Attila is a bathroom cleaner I recently won in a giveaway, so I'm just testing it out to see how it works. We'll clean the washroom and then we'll clean the rest of the house and we'll be done for the day. I'm so exhausted, you guys, and I'm still recovering from how sick I was over the weekend. So yeah, let's finish up and I'll show you how the house looks after I'm done. So for the rest of the house, I'm just going to be using some toss and a little bit of jig, and yeah, that's about it. And we'll mop the rest of the house and that will be it. this is how everything turned out. I loved it. The house was clean, smelling fresh. The seats were clean and the carpet. And please watch till the end of this video to get my brother's contacts. Feel free to call them. They wash at a very affordable rate, and the best thing is they wash at the comfort of your home. So feel free to call them, and yeah, you will get the best service, I assure you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please share, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.